Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Clark here, your librarian. There are 3 books I'm going to tell you about that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called Take the Mic. You might be the kind of person who stands up to online trolls, or who marches to protest injustice. Perhaps you are #disabled and cute and dancing around your living room alive and proud. Or perhaps you wish you had a trans mentor. Maybe you call out false allies or stand up to loved ones. Maybe you speak your truth and drop the mic, or maybe you take it with you when you leave. This anthology features fictional stories in multiple formats, in poems, prose, and art that reflect a slice of the varied and limitless ways that readers like you resist every day. Take the Mic is one powerful collection of stories of everyday resistance. It's a fabulous read you are not going to want to miss. The next book is The Other Half of Happy. Quijana is one half Guatemalan and one half American. When her Guatemalan cousins move to town, her dad seems ashamed that she doesn't know more about her family's heritage. Quijana is one half crush and one half buddy. When she meets Zuri and Jaden, she knows she's found true friends, but she can't help the growing feelings she has for Jaden. Quijana is one half kid and one half grown up. She spends her nights Skyping with her ailing grandma and trying to figure out what's going on with her increasingly hard-to-reach brother. Quijana must figure out which parts of herself are most important, which pieces come together, and learning what it means to belong. This is one award-winning, heartfelt story that many of you are sure to relate to. The last book I'm going to tell you about is The Honest Truth. It's never too late for the adventure of a lifetime. In all the ways that matter, Mark is a normal kid. He's got a dog named Bo and a best friend, Jessie. He likes to take photos and write haiku poems in his notebook. He dreams of climbing a mountain one day. But in one important way, Mark is not like other kids at all. Mark is sick. The kind of sick that means hospitals and treatments. The kind of sick some people never get better from. So Mark runs away. He leaves home with his camera, his notebook, his dog, and a plan. A plan to reach the top of Mount Rainier, even if it's the last thing he ever does. This is one extraordinary novel about big questions, small moments, and one incredible journey. I absolutely love this author, and I'm sure you will too. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available for checkout at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to snag a copy, and have a great day!